it's Newtsy, and today I have a 10-minute morning yoga sequence that's going to give you a total body stretch, help you wake up and stimulate your metabolism. This is also great if you just need a little pick-me-upper during the day. So since we only have 10 minutes, let's get started. All right, let's just start with hero's pose, sitting back on your legs. Big breath in, touching those palms, really kind of arching, looking up, and bring them through heart center. Exhale through the nose. Again, inhale, and exhale through the nose. This time when we bring the arms up, want you to make sure that your shoulders are rolled down and back. Gonna look up, and then you're gonna cactus those arms back, really opening the heart center. And inhale. And exhale, opening the chest, opening the heart. Inhale. And exhale. One more, just like that. Inhale. And exhale. I want you to just clasp the hands behind you. Try to touch the palms together and look up right here. Inhale and exhale. Really pushing those palms towards the mat. Inhale and exhale. All right, we're going to move into low runner's lunge. Feet go between the hands. Knee over the ankle, sliding that knee back, and really concentrate on pressing the thigh down towards the mat. We're going to lift up through the crown of the head, and we're going to breathe in and out of our nose right here. Let's move our hips a little bit to the right and to the left. Good, and forward and back. Just find a little bit of movement right here. All right, now we're going to move it back to half splits. Really exaggerate toe up and bringing the chin towards the toe. Hold it right here, opening up those hamstrings, waking them up. Now we're going to move between both of those, low runner's lunge, pressing the thigh down and moving it back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. All right, we're going to go to downward facing dog. Wide hands, turn the fingers out just a little bit. Let's just pedal it out right here. It's okay if the heels don't touch. Relaxing the head, no tension in the jaw. Let's just move to the side and lift up those heels and pivot to the other side. Good, finding movement. Gently waking up the body. All right, now we're going to lift the leg, pointing the toe and flexing the toe. Now we're going to bring the knee into the nose and up. Looking at the kneecap, knee into nose. Good. One more, just like that. Now bringing it all the way through to high runner's lunge. You can move that back leg back just a little bit. We're going to plant the hand beside the inner thigh. We're going to open up the chest to the side wall. Really twisting and opening, squeezing those vital organs, giving them some heat, energy. Good, bringing the hand down. Let's come to a wide forward fold. So you want the toes pointing forward, folding forward, keep a slight bend in the knee, half lift, and forward fold. Walking the hands to the outside, either grab a hold of the ankle or the calf, and you're gonna pull the chest down, bringing the other arm behind the back, looking up. We're twisting. It's a rinse cycle for the torso and the vital organs. Good, coming back through center. Forward fold, slight bend in the knee. Half lift. Forward fold. Other side, grabbing the ankle or the calf, bringing that arm behind. Good. Now we're going to go to the runner's lunge on the other side, making sure the knee is over the ankle. Knee down, pushing that knee back a little bit. Pressing the thigh towards the mat. Looking straight ahead, finding a little bit of movement to the right and left. Good. And taking it back, really exaggerating that toe up. Chin towards the toe. Come forward. Looking straight ahead and exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Downward facing dog. Make sure those hands are wide, fingers out. So let's find a little movement by pedaling out right here. And just pivoting the heels to one side, then the other. Good. All right, now we're going to lift up the leg. Okay, point and flex. And squeezing it in, nose and knees together. And knee, looking at the kneecap, bringing it in. All right, all the way through to high runner's lunge. You're going to plant the hand by the inside of the foot. We're going to open up and twist. Lifting the torso towards the side wall, looking up. Good job. All right, hands down. We're going to have a little fun. We're going to go to bear pose. So I want you to grab the big toes with the peace fingers, pulling those heels in just a little bit. Sit up nice and tall. And you're just going to lift up the heels, balancing here if you can. If you need to put one foot down, that's fine. We're going to open up the right leg and close it. If you really lift up the chest and through the crown of the head, it makes it easier to balance. Excellent. All right, stay right here. Lift the chest up, lift through the crown of the head, and if we can, we're going to lift both legs up. And hold it. Good. Bringing it in. All right, now we're going to have a little more fun. We're going to grab a hold of the knees and we're going to roll on the spine. Good. So good for your spine. Don't forget to breathe in and out of your nose. All right, now we're going to come all the way up to a yogi squat. Here we go. Excellent. All right. Face front, back to hero's pose. Big breath, inhale. And exhale. Bringing that hand out, leaning over to the side, looking underneath the armpit. And the other side, really exaggerate stretching in the side body. A little bit of jetting the hip out, looking underneath the armpit. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more time each side. Inhale. And exhale. And big breath. Hands to touch, leaning back, looking up, hands down to heart center. Today is a good day to have a good day. Thank you for joining me. Let's all bow our heads and say together, Namaste.